Hello everybody and welcome back to Mocha Dishes. Today we are going to be making some delicious glazed donuts. You're going to want to start off by grabbing 2 cups of powdered sugar and adding it into a bowl. Then you're going to grab 1 cup and 1 tablespoon of melted butter and add into the bowl. Then you're going to grab 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of milk. You're just going to want to mix that together until it becomes this consistency. Now you're just going to want to set it aside. Now you're going to want to boil 3 large potatoes and wait for it to soften and peel the skin off. Once all the skin's peeled off, you're going to want to put them in a blender and add 1 cup of water. Now you're just going to want to strain it to take all the chunks out. Now you're going to want to grab half a cup of granulated sugar, a tablespoon and a half of baking powder, and a pinch of salt and mix it all together. And now you're just going to want to add any yogurt of choice. I added some pineapple yogurt. Now I'm just making my yeast mixture. I grabbed 1 tablespoon of yeast and 1 cup of water and let it sit for 3 minutes. Now I'm adding 1 egg. And now I'm slowly adding in 4 to 6 cups of all-purpose flour. And now I'm adding 1/3 cup of ghee butter. Now I'm just covering it in some plastic wrap and letting it sit until the dough rises. Now, to flatten it, I cut it into 2 sections. Now I'm using the dough roller to flatten the dough out. Now I'm just cutting it into donuts with my donut cutter. And now I'm frying it at medium to high heat. Now I'm just coating the donuts with the mixture I made in the beginning of the video. After they're all glazed, you're going to want to let them sit for a few minutes. And you'll have your final product. This is my favorite to make. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed.